how to make 1 lakh rupees a month freelancing business in 2025. This is not a clickbait. I will tell you the actual way how you can do it. Alright? So I'll tell you systems and processes required. Everything. So let me share my screen with you and help you to build a 1 lakh rupees per month freelancing business in 2025. Let's go. Okay. So this is how to build a 1 lakh per month freelance business from scratch in 2025. The first one, mindset plus niche selection. Okay, somebody said digital marketing is great. Okay, I will dive into digital marketing. Oh, I'm not getting clients. I'm unable to call clients and I'm unable to page. This niche is not for me, is what I feel. Okay, I'll go to teaching phase. Somebody said like teaching is going to be a $325 billion industry. Okay, cool man. I'll go to teaching. But what do I teach? How do I teach? What outcomes do I need to bring in with my clients, with my students? Oh, this is also hard. I'll switch. Mindset. The first topic. I have spoken this multiple times across all the master classes that mindset is everything. If you are like, मैं वो भी कर लूँगा, ये भी कर लूँगा, I'll do that, I'll do this, you will never be able to do one particular thing because you are concentrating on all the things. First, prepare your mindset that, what do I need to do? Where am I good at? Recently, I posted a reel on my Instagram. You can use a formula called PMP. Passion, market demand, profits. Let's pick P. What is your passion? Do you feel like running ads? You love it? Do you feel writing is your passion? Scripting is your passion? Do you feel like social media is your passion? That I spend a lot of time on social media. Do you like creative writing? What are you good at? Passionate about? If you do not have a passion yet that I'm unable to see it, try exploring few things for the first few months. Try all things. In the journey of trying all the things, you will understand where you spend more time at. Where you spent more time and what did you learn out of it, and did you enjoy spending lot of time there or not. That's how you can do it. And second, take a market demand. Okay, what is market demand? Okay, so you picked, oh, I love data entry, super Viru, I'm positioning myself as a data entry specialist. Do you feel like data entry jobs having a huge demand in the market? Let me know in the comment box. You passionate about it? Data entry. Wow, I love entering data. AI is already replacing them. And you feel like there is a market demand? Absolutely not. Last is about profits. Okay. Imagine for a task in the market, doing that task, 10 rupees is being paid. And you want 100 rupees for the same task. You will not succeed in this business because you always need to look at three things. First is mindset. Fix ho jao. That you're going to build a great freelancing career. For that, it takes time. And also prepare one thing. I will face so many hurdles in between. The only thing what I do is like, I don't give up. I never give up. You can give up in lot of things. But if you don't give up, you will win lot of things in your life. Next, PMP. You have a passion on that. What is market demand? How much profits I am going to make it? PMP. Use these three. Okay. Let's get into the next segment, which is first core services to offer: problem identification and solution identification. Offer one core service to the client where you identified a deep problem for a client. For me, a deep problem is managing people. I'm still learning though. Okay, managing people is my biggest problem what I'm facing right now. If somebody came, Viru, I will get you candidates. I will manage them. I will stick with your organization for at least 1 year. Do you pay me 1.5 lakh rupees per month? Absolutely, man, take it. Because that's a deep problem I'm going through. So identify a problem of a client and get a solution to it. Solution can be in 3 different ways. One, sit in a quiet room, close your eyes and think, this is the problem, how I can overcome it, how I can bring solution to it. Second, identifying in the market, going to Google, YouTube, AI tools, and identifying solution for this problem. And the third and the most important, experiment. Take a client, don't charge, experiment your solution with the client. If it is working, boom. From the second client, third client, you can make a lot of money. Trust me, lot of money. When I say a lot of money, lot of money. Okay, because you are a problem solver, not a service provider. Everybody can provide service, but only few can solve problems. I want my students to be a problem solver, not just a service provider. Getting my point? And second, getting first 5 clients. I want you to get your first 5 clients, irrespective of how much they are paying you. You are in the early stages of your career. I want you to produce results to the clients, and I want you to solve to the problems what clients are facing. Once you have that confidence, charge premium, maybe 1 lakh rupees a client, 1.5 lakh rupees a client. Okay, because you already got 5 testimonials, 5 success stories, and 5 case studies with you. And next, retaining and upselling. The only thing I see is like people don't retain clients. And 70% of them will think like getting a client is hard. But the real freelancers, 99% of them will know retaining is hard, not getting a client. Because you need to put your heart and soul into it. Your jaan laga denge. You know, I'm trying to learn Hindi by the way. You have to put your life into it to solve a problem to a client, for a client. But if you crack it once, nobody will stop you. Nobody will stop you. Okay, so try to retain and upselling, which I've explained in the previous videos. If you want to watch them, I'll give it in the description. And hiring 70k per month level. When you are hitting consistently 70k, it's a triggering point. First trigger. Oh, then it's the first time. At least 70k, get it for 2-3 months consistently. Then it's a high time that you need to get your first employee at your freelancing business. That means that's a proud and happy moment for you. You are transitioning from a freelancer to an entrepreneur. Crazy, right? From being paid to paying someone. That's the dream. I felt really happy when I'm paying my first employee, you know. I celebrated like anything. I'll tell you the fast formula before I end this topic, because I've mostly given you all the formulas to help you skyrocket. So this is find a high income skill like design, web development, SEO, paid ads, content marketing, blah, 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 where you feel like this is a high income skill. You have to find that skill first. Okay. And second, attract leads, weekly cold emails, LinkedIn ads, DM strategies, attract leads, build a funnel. If somebody is getting into your funnel, if somebody is submitting a lead, don't expect that they have to pay you immediately. You nurture them, provide value, provide. 8 live masterclasses we are taking every month for the free people. We are nurturing them. We are providing value to them. What if they are coming into our community and they are not purchasing? Did I say any time that, hey, you leave my community, you're not even paying, you've been already from last 2 months, 3 months? You know, a highest person paid me after 3 years they enrolled into my email funnel. They submitted their lead and after 3 years they purchased my course. It took 3 years. So attract leads, nurture them. That's the way you can grow. And next, yes, sell a simple offer, one niche, one offer, faster sales. Don't offer multiple things, my friend. Offer one solution to one particular problem. You can make a lot of money. One simple offer without getting confused. Getting my point? And okay, next T, turn clients into subscribers, monthly retainers, systems from above. I've already told you the systems and processes. If you want to watch that video also, I'll link it. Okay, turn clients into monthly subscribers. That means they will fall in love with the solution what you are providing, and they will pay you more, and they will also recommend more clients to you. The fast formula. With this, I'm gonna conclude this video. I'll see you with the next video.